In this video, I will show you how much YouTube paid me for 22.2 million shorts views. In total, the average RPM was 5 cents, with 100% of the revenue coming from shorts feed ads. Overall, I gained about 47,500 subscribers from 22.2 million views, which averages out to about 0.002 subscribers per short view. The average view to swipe ratio is 73.5%, with 92.5% of the views coming from the shorts feed. And from my other popular short stats, it seems like anything below 70% view to swipe ratio will drastically reduce the chance of a short going viral. Engagement-wise, the average view duration was about 36 seconds, which is 99.1% of the entire short video. And for those interested in the country demographic, USA and India came in with 25.2% and 23.1% respectively. Overall, I am satisfied with the results as it allowed my channel to become monetized